So it looks like I can hear a fire alarm going off at a dorm that's pretty close by me. And I'm gonna check this out. I was just walking around this nature preserve and I can hear a fire alarm going off, and I'm gonna check this out. Sounds like it's coming from my right side, I believe, or in another building that's part of this building, but it's not this one. It's coming down right here. So it looks like it's coming from the parking garage. This side is not active, so the parking garage building must be active, as I can hear it. It's very loud. It's the Wheelock AS horn strobes. So yeah, right, that one is not part of that building that's going off, but yeah. Yeah, it's a parking garage, housing building that's active right now. Wow, this is really interesting. Just before the day class, there's a fire alarm's going off at a parking garage, but it's a residential parking garage and not the academic parking garage. It's different. This is where residents park. And yeah, it's not part of that main dorm. It's a separate system, because it's a separate system, exactly. So yeah, it's very loud. It's those Wheelock AS horn strobes again. Yeah, walking around, just getting all the activation, and yeah, it's kind of interesting system. Yep, yeah, it's all Wheelock AS horn strobes, all synchronized. But yeah, just for safety, I will not enter this parking garage because just in case there might be a real fire in the parking garage. Wow, that's interesting. Nope, it's not this dorm, it's the parking garage part of the dorm system. So that's why those ones weren't going off, because it's a different system that's active right now. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. Yep, pretty cool. We haven't had the one go off in my door before, but yeah. Yep, and here's the strobe going. I don't know if it will show up. It's bright. Wow. This thing's loud in that parking garage. This thing's loud. It's this parking garage that echoes it all the way. Just remember, this not this part that's going off. It's it's the part that's going off. Yeah, so the storm is okay, but it's the parking garage's storm that's going off. Yeah, because it's on a separate system. So yeah, and I first thought that one isn't working, but it's just a separate system. Yeah, by chance, the parking garage system should be monitoring the other building storm systems as well. It will come up with a silent alarm where it shows up as alarm, but the horn strobes aren't going off, or it's just going to show up as a supervisory as it's programmed, just to make sure that the front desk are aware of what system adapted right now. And yeah, it's just the parking garage, the storm that's going on. Just a quick update right here. Yeah, this thing is still going off. Yeah. I thought it would end it because I don't want to make this too long of a boring video of the alarms going off, but overall, like usually I limit fire alarms sounding to 10 to 15 minutes depending on the content. But yeah, a quick update here, and yeah, it's still going off and it's not been silenced just yet. Another update right here, and yeah, it's still going off. Might go off for maybe an hour or so, but I don't know. Another update, yeah, it's still going off. Like, I don't know why I'm gonna make a lot of updates if it's going off for a very long time. Like, I'm scared I might lose the footage on my iPhone because screen might power off and the footage will be gone. I just wanna stop and pause, stop and then play the recording periodically, just that way the recording is kept on my phone pretty much. Like, yeah, I don't want to lose this recording, but yeah, still going off. Okay, I think I found the good view of the strobe flashing right there. Just wait for these cars to go. There we go. It's very hard to get, you know, it's bright day, and it's okay guys, so it looks like I'm getting kind of tired of filming more of this fire alarm going off, and I'm getting hot out here. Yeah, this is going off for more than 15 minutes now, so yeah, I don't want to waste more time. Oh, wait, thought it stopped, but there's just a sync that skips sometimes. Yeah, it happens every several minutes, but yeah, I thought it stopped, but okay, yeah, so it's still going off. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it right here, and then I'll do a follow-up short of when it's finally silenced, if I can get it in before I go out to lunch. So yeah, I'll get that follow-up short of when it's silenced finally. So yeah, thank you, bye.